Hey there, yes, you, the one who has tried everything to lose weight but feels like nothing works. Are you tired of crazy diets, miracle promises, and solutions that only leave you frustrated? Stick with me because today I'm going to show you a different way. A healthy, realistic, and best of all, sustainable way. Let's talk about how to take care of your health, lose weight intelligently, and transform your life once and for all. And look, it's nothing complicated. You just need to understand the fundamental pillars of a successful routine. So let's get started because this video could be the first step towards the change you've been waiting for. When we talk about weight loss, the first thing many people think is, I need to cut back on food. I'm going to have to starve myself. But this mindset is wrong, and that's why so many people fail. The problem is not the amount you eat, but the quality. The focus here is to understand that your body needs energy to function well, and that only comes from nutritious foods. Eating healthy is not about restriction, but about nutrition. If you are constantly depriving yourself of food, your body goes into a state of alert, holding on to fat reserves. So instead of losing weight, you end up maintaining or even gaining more. The key is balance, knowing what to eat, how much to eat, and when to eat. Now that you understand that you don't have to starve yourself, the next step is to be consistent. And here's the secret no one tells you. Small changes made daily have a huge impact over time. It's no use starting a super strict diet, doing everything perfectly for a week, and then giving up. What really brings results is consistency over time. This goes for your diet, your exercise, and even your rest. Your body needs time to adapt to changes, so give it that time. Set realistic goals and progress gradually. This is how you will be able to keep the weight off and live a truly healthy life, without absurd sacrifices. Now let's talk about exercise. If you think you need to spend hours at the gym to lose weight, you can relax. The secret is not the amount of exercise, but the quality and frequency. Moving your body is fundamental to your health, not just to lose weight, but to improve your mood, increase your energy, and strengthen your cardiovascular system. And you know what's best? You don't have to do anything too complicated. Daily walks, climbing stairs, stretching. All of this already makes a difference. The important thing is that you move regularly, find something you enjoy doing and that fits into your routine. Movement is life, and it's what will give you more energy and motivation to keep going strong on your weight loss journey. Mental health is one of the most overlooked factors when we talk about weight loss, but it is fundamental. If you are always feeling stressed, anxious, or unmotivated, your body responds to that, and often the effect is negative. Stress, for example, increases the levels of cortisol in your body, which can lead to weight gain, especially in the abdominal region. That's why it's important to take care of your mind too. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, and even taking time out of your day for pleasurable activities can make all the difference. Remember, healthy weight loss is a process that involves body and mind. The more emotionally balanced you are, the easier it will be to achieve your physical goals. So, now that you know how to lose weight in a healthy and lasting way, it's time to act. There is no magic formula, but with a good diet, constant movement, and taking care of your mental health, you will achieve your goals. And best of all, permanently. Don't forget, change starts with small, daily actions. If you like this video and want more tips, subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and share it with someone who also needs a transformation. Until next time. And remember, the journey is yours, but you are not alone in it.